Hey friends, good evening. Hope you had a profitable Thursday expiry today. It was a really fantastic session. Yes, there was some bit of volatility, but if you had followed my strategy of hero or zero trades, you would have definitely become a hero today. The trades on both Nifty and Bank Nifty worked quite well, but especially on Nifty, the trade was 100% accurate. It was exactly on expected lines, and that's why you would have made complete money if you had followed the strategy. These videos are definitely going to help you, but at the end of the day you have to take your own trading decisions during market hours. So let's get started with the new weekly expiry session that will begin from tomorrow for the expiry dated 24th of December, which is of next Thursday. So Nifty today closed at 13,740, up by 58 points or 0.42%. Nifty future on the other hand closed at 13,754. So that is a premium of now 14 points. Well, no surprises here. The kind of strength that Nifty is witnessing again today closing at a new all-time high. So it is very much expected that Nifty will be put heavy. The total open interest on the put side is around 1.77 crore shares as against only 1.43 crore shares on the call side. On the put side, the highest open interest of 16 lakh shares is at 13,500, and if you look at the next highest open interest is at 15.7 lakh shares at 13,000 put. And as you all know that this is just for hedging purposes, just to reduce your margin, so you can safely ignore this. And after that, the next highest position is at 13,700, which you can say is almost at the money, and where the maximum amount of open interest addition has also taken place. So almost 12 lakh shares in open interest have got added today. So have a look at this. Out of 15 lakh shares, 12 lakh shares have got added today. This is the kind of strong bullishness that we are witnessing in this market. So don't try to short this market. This will take you to cleaners if you are trying to be a bear in the strong market. On the call side, again 14,000 has the highest open interest with over 24 lakh shares. And the highest open interest addition is actually of 11.7 lakh shares at 14,500. But because this is just for hedging, you can safely ignore it. On the call side, the next highest open interest addition is of 11.6 lakh shares at 14,000 level itself. This is the daily chart of Nifty, and look at today's moves. It has been a smooth sailing upwards from the last 3 days, and today again we have moved higher. So with every passing day we are trying to close at new all-time high levels, and till the time we maintain this trend there is absolutely going to be no bearishness in the market. Like I have been mentioning, either we'll continue marching upwards this way or we may at the most consolidate around these levels. But as of now the strength is clearly on the upside, and till the time the market is showing strength we have to be bullish. Only below 13,400 will we see how to play the Nifty without being very strongly bullish. But till that time the Nifty is above 13,400, you can continue to be bullish and look for upside momentum. The volumes again are a source of worry. So again the lowest volume in so many months, and this despite being a weekly Thursday expiry. But like I have mentioned yesterday also, that because it is possible that a lot of people are taking holidays, FIs are going on leave, so the volumes are coming down. And of course the new margin systems which have reduced leverage have also somewhat impacted the volume, so that could also be the reason. However, you need to be a bit careful when you see the markets are rising but the volumes are declining. This is the only source of worry that I have at this point of time. But since the price action is very strong, we will give more importance to the price action at this point of time. So based on our assessment, what I am going to do tomorrow is I am going to sell the 13,500 put option for two reasons. Because it has the highest amount of open interest as of now. Also 13,400 is a very strong support level, and we are currently around 250 points away from the Nifty futures level. So I believe 250 points for the next few trading sessions is going to be a fairly decent bit of protection based on the prevailing price action in Nifty. So I will safely sell the 13,500 put option And I am not very convinced on taking a hedge for protection at this point of time, but we'll see tomorrow's action. And you know, to reduce margin, of course, we can take a hedge. If you are a conservative trader, then do definitely take a hedge of anywhere from 13,100 to 13,300 depending on your risk appetite. I am not in favor of selling the 13,700 put option, because although that has the highest position, but I am looking to carry forward this position beyond Friday also. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, I am going to hold this position. So this will be a positional trade and not just a intraday trade. That's why I am going to maintain some safe distance from the prevailing level. But if somebody is looking to sell 13,700, that trader is going to have sleepless nights during the weekend. You're just going to keep checking Singapore Nifty all the time. You're going to waste your time this way and you're not going to be really happy. I don't want to do that. I want to make slightly lower returns but have complete peace of mind. So that's why I prefer selling the 13,500 put option. On the call side, well, because the strength of Nifty is so strong that with every passing day, each and every level keeps getting taken out. So earlier 13,500 was the resistance, and 600, and 700, and now that resistance is shifting to 14,000. Well, you can sell the 14,000 call option because that has the highest open interest, and again that's a strong, I mean, it's going to be new number, so it will take some time for the level to be taken out, and you will get a premium of around 21 rupees. But don't get too aggressive on the call side. But if at all you plan to sell the call option, then have a 1:1 proportion. So for every one put option that you sell, have a sell one call option. Don't sell more than one call option for every one put option that you sell. You can actually also sell two put options and have one call position outstanding on the sell side. Bank Nifty today closed at 30,847 level, up by 149 points, which is 0.48%, whereas Bank Nifty futures today closed at 30,844. So that is a discount of 3 points. Yes, discount of 3 points, which is really very surprising because you are in a very strong bull market. Bank Nifty also did marginally outperform Nifty, but it closed at a discount. This should sound alarm bells. However, we will see if there is further follow up to this discount thing or it is just a one off thing today. So Bank Nifty has again turned puts heavy with over 38 lakh shares on the put side in open interest for only 34 lakh shares open interest on the call side. So this should provide reasonable comfort, and then you can ignore the discount on Bank Nifty futures at least for tomorrow. On the put side, the highest open interest of over 5.25 lakh shares is at 29,500 level, and which has also seen the highest change in open interest by over 3.3 lakh shares. The premium is just below 45 rupees. The next highest open interest is at 30,500 with a premium of 242 rupees, and that has also witnessed the next highest open interest addition. Whereas on the call side, again there is a close tie between 31,000, which has a open interest of 4,71,000, while 32,000 has 4,46,000 open interest, and both have very similar change in open interest also, with 31,000 seeing 2.5 lakh shares addition and 32,000 seeing just under 2.6 lakh shares addition to open interest. Now when you look at the chart of Bank Nifty, and this is the daily chart, you will see the difference in the price action itself. You can spot it immediately. So first thing is that 31,000 is turning out to be a very stiff resistance for Bank Nifty, and it is just not able to cross it. Even today the high on Bank Nifty was 30,945. So about 55 points away from 31,000 level. And look at the price action. It is just stuck in a narrow range between 30,000 and 30,800. It is just not able to go on the upside. Definitely you would say that it is not going below 30,000 also, so which is a good thing. However, as of now it is stuck in this range, and till the time it gives a breakout either on the upside or on the downside, only then we will get clear trending moves. But the confidence isn't as strong on the chart of Bank Nifty as much as you get when you see the chart of Nifty. So you have so many dojis on Nifty, then you have two red candles, and then again you have a doji today. So 782 was the opening level, 847 was the closing level. So just about 60 points of range between open and close. So that's why again a narrow range doji with small wicks and a small body. And again when you look at the volume, so the volumes are lowest in so many months for Bank Nifty also. So again this is not very encouraging, but till the time there is a clear breakdown in price action, you can ignore the volumes part for the reasons which I mentioned earlier. Also the fact that Bank Nifty has gone in discount, it appears that crossing 31,000 is going to be a big challenge for Bank Nifty, at least in this week's series, and who knows even for this month. But like I said, we'll have to take each day as it comes and not jump to any conclusion for now. So on the basis of the chart that we have just seen, what will be an obvious move? Well, the first obvious move is going to be selling the 31,000 call option, although I am not going to take that move as of now, because you have a weekend, and what happens if there is a gap up on Monday. So although I'm tempted to sell the 31,000 call option, I am going to avoid the temptation at least for tomorrow. A safer thing for me would be to sell the 31,500 call option, which has around 135 rupees premium. Of course that premium will come down tomorrow if there is a flat or a gap down opening, but even above 100 rupees, that premium is going to be fairly decent for 1 week's time. On Monday we will review the situation again, and if necessary we can sell the 31,000 call option at that point of time. But for now I am happy selling the 31,500 call option. On the put side, because if Bank Nifty has been stuck in a narrow range and it continues to be puts heavy, so I will sell the 30,000 put option, which has a premium of over 100 rupees. Of course it will come down tomorrow morning in case of a gap up or a flat opening, but still around 100 rupees premium for with a distance of around 800 points away is fairly good. And so also on the call side you are around 700 points away from the prevailing level of Bank Nifty. So I believe that should provide decent cushion and a decent ROI to continue holding the position, not just tomorrow but also during the weekend and maybe beyond Monday also. So that's why I'm just recommending a very simple strategy of selling both put and call options, and keep the ratio as 1:1. So that is for one call option that you sell one put option. That's it from my side. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Good night.
You can reach out to me on Twitter, Insta, LinkedIn, and of course YouTube.